last panel talked a lot about the various reporting that companies can do and all the reasons for it. And that's easier said than done sometimes. I think one of the things that a lot of companies have to think about, and particularly those who are early in their ESG and sustainability journey, is where's that data coming from? It could be coming from a lot of different places around the organization, many of which may not be involved with or very well skilled in some of the things that lead to good data governance. Things like who owns the data, right, and who's responsible for it. And that may seem like a really easy question. It's coming out of HR or it's coming out of operations or engineering. But unless there's real clarity of who owns and who's responsible for the data, companies can have some challenge over who is going to make sure that that data starts its journey into the reporting process. Also, most of these groups, are not really thinking about the completeness and accuracy of the information all the time that they use it. And that's not to say that they don't care about the completeness or the accuracy of it in their day-to-day jobs, but the rigor and the expectations around reported information and how it moves and how it gets into the assurance process that we're going to talk about a lot on this panel becomes important. So what are the controls and procedures around that data that are going to be implemented, both with the systems that generate it and with the transfer of that data from the owner of it to the recipients throughout the organization who may be accumulating it and reporting it. We think about and we see a lot examples like this in waste or in some energy gathering things. Well, we couldn't find that information for last month, so we just estimated it. And that can work a lot in operational elements, but as we move towards more disciplined reporting, when we put that jigsaw puzzle together, like Neil talked about it, and start covering other things, really being able to focus on where the genesis of that information, the completeness and accuracy, the systems that it goes through to get it to its reporting element